Everyone, let's see, we're doing number 15. We gotta write a program that prints out the sine and cosine of the angles ranging from that to that in 15 degrees increments. Okay, each result should be rounded to 4 decimal places. Sample output is shown below. Okay, doesn't look that bad. At least that's my point of view. From my point of view, it doesn't look that bad. Okay, recall you guys, you wanna print out this thing exactly the way it is. Okay, of course I need a for loop. X is actually my angle, so we're starting from 15 going all the way to what? To 375, excluding it, of course, and our increment is 15. Okay, now let me compute my first answer. This answer number 1, this will store an answer for the sine function. First things first, I wanna, perhaps it will make more sense if I type it through and then try to explain it later. I dot radians x. Okay, first thing, what do? I convert the x value into radians. That takes care of that. Once I'm done with that, I'm computing what? I'm computing the sine of that angle, right? And then once I'm done doing that, I am round offing the result into what? Into 4 decimal places. Oh, you know what, you guys, we're starting from 0, not 15. Okay, there's no problem in that. I can simply go minus 15. Okay, so if x is 15, this right here will be 0. So if x is 30, this right here will become 15. You guys see the pattern. Okay, now that I'm through with that, I'm gonna have to do one and the same thing for my second answer, except that in the second case, instead of sine, I'll have cosine. Okay, and then what? Okay, I'll then have to print out the result. I'll simply go print x minus 15, answer 1. Then as for my separator, I need to put those dashes, 1, 2, 3 of them, right? And spaces in between. And then in order to stay in one line, I need to set my end argument to that. Okay, then right below that, first things first, I wanna leave a space and then display my second answer, and then say I separate it to be that. Okay, am I missing something here? I doubt I do, and if I am, you'll see right after I've hit the run button. Oops, that right there is supposed to be answer number 2. Always a superstar. My friend, you will be always a superstar. There goes my friend. Always. Are we good? Are we good? Seems like we are, folks. We've got all of these numbers here, all the way up to 2588 96. Yeah, you guys. It seems like we have a working solution. So this is gonna be it, you guys. I'm gone.